YouTube, what's going on? Kyle again from ePoolSupply. Today we are back with another quick fix on Pentair's Kreepy Krauly Kruiser suction side pool cleaner. Stay tuned, we're going to dive right in. Alright guys, and we're back. So again, today we're back with a quick fix on Pentair's Kreepy Krauly Kruiser suction side pool cleaner. For today's video, we actually want to show you guys how to remove the entire internal housing on the cleaner itself. It'll get you guys access in here to the lid and lock assembly as well as the flapper. So if you guys have any kind of debris that's actually stuck, instead of trying to reach in through the bottom orifice and try to pull it out, this will actually allow you to just disassemble it quickly and get access into those internals. So it's really simple, quick fix. The one thing that you're looking for is actually this hand nut that's located right at the top of the body of the cleaner. All you're gonna do is give that a twist. It's gonna go counterclockwise, just like typically any other thread will. And as soon as you do that, you'll see that the entire internal assembly actually just slides right out of the bottom of the cleaner. And now this gives you access to open this up and actually clear any debris that may be jammed. Gives you access from the top point so that if it's stuck within the actual feed tube that's leading to your suction line, you guys can actually remove anything that you need to from there. So really simple, quick fix. Just wanted to show you guys how to do that without actually having to fully disassemble the entire cleaner. To just put it back on, you're simply going to slide it back in. It is directional, so you want to go with the same direction of the cleaner so that the foot pad sits correctly. If you try to insert it the other way, it's not going to work. So you're just going to slide it back up and then tighten the hand nut back down, and now you're good to go. So go ahead, plug your hose back in once you got the debris cleared, and get it back in your pool and clean it. So really appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you guys hit that like button. Be sure to subscribe. We got videos on this cleaner as well as every other cleaner out there on the market. I'm Kyle with ePoolSupply. We'll see you next time.